Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the best business money-making hacks and market loopholes that you can take advantage of right now. These are the strategies that most people don't even know exist, but they can make a huge difference in your financial life. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these tips will help you keep more money in your pocket and invest it for long-term growth. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to unlock some serious financial knowledge. Look, nobody likes paying taxes, right? But what if I told you that understanding tax deductions could be like getting a bonus check from the government? It's true. There are so many deductions available to business owners, and most people aren't even aware of them. We're talking about deducting your home office, your business expenses, even your car if you use it for work. Every dollar you can legally deduct is a dollar that stays in your pocket. And the best part is, the more you understand these deductions, the more you can optimize your spending and maximize your savings. It's not about avoiding taxes altogether, it's about working smarter, not harder. So many people are leaving money on the table by not taking advantage of these deductions. Don't be one of them. Take the time to learn about the deductions that apply to your business, or better yet, talk to a tax professional. They can help you develop a strategy to minimize your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit cards can be dangerous, and you're right. If you're not careful, they can lead to debt and financial trouble. But if you use them responsibly, credit cards can actually be a powerful tool for growing your wealth. Think about it. You're already spending money on business expenses, right? Why not get rewarded for it? There are so many credit cards out there offering incredible rewards programs, from cashback to travel points to miles. Imagine this, you're booking flights and hotels for your next business trip, and you're getting them for free, just by using the points you've accumulated from your everyday spending. Or, you're getting a big fat check in the mail every quarter, just for buying the things you were already going to buy anyway. That's the power of credit card rewards. But, and this is crucial, you have to be disciplined. Pay off your balance in full every single month, no exceptions. Treat it like a debit card, only spend what you can afford, and watch those rewards pile up. Have you ever wished you could get paid just for owning a piece of a company? Well, with dividend-paying stocks, you can. It's like having a money-making machine working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Here's how it works. When you buy dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a small ownership stake in that company. And as a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of their profits, which they distribute in the form of dividends. These dividends can be paid out monthly, quarterly, or annually, and they can provide a steady stream of passive income that you can reinvest back into your portfolio or use to cover your expenses. It's like having a second paycheck, but without the work. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. You want to look for companies with a long history of paying dividends and increasing them over time. This indicates a strong and stable business that's committed to rewarding its shareholders. Remember, investing always involves risk, but with a little research and a long-term perspective, dividend stocks can be a powerful addition to any portfolio. Let's face it, real estate has been a proven wealth-building tool for centuries. It's tangible, it's in demand, and it can generate both passive income and appreciation. Plus, there's just something satisfying about owning a piece of property. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate is expensive. And you're not wrong, but it's more accessible than you might think. There are ways to get started small, like investing in REITs or real estate investment trusts or even crowdfunding platforms. But the real magic happens when you start acquiring rental properties. Imagine this, you buy a property, rent it out, and suddenly you have a tenant paying down your mortgage for you. And that's not even considering the potential for appreciation. Of course, being a landlord isn't for everyone, but if you're willing to put in the work, it can be incredibly rewarding. Just remember to do your research, choose your properties wisely, and screen your tenants carefully. Okay, now we're getting into some next-level stuff. Arbitrage is a strategy that takes advantage of price differences for the same asset in different markets. It's like buying something at a discount and then immediately selling it for a profit. In the stock market, arbitrage opportunities can arise due to things like news events, market inefficiencies, or even just plain old human error. And with the speed of information today, these opportunities can appear and disappear in the blink of an eye. Now, arbitrage is not without its risks. You need to be lightning fast, have a deep understanding of the market, and be comfortable with a certain level of risk. But for those who can master it, arbitrage can be incredibly lucrative. I'm not going to lie, this is not a strategy for beginners. But it's a fascinating example of how you can use your knowledge and understanding of the market to potentially generate significant profits. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, these are just a few of the many money hacks and market loopholes available to those who know where to look. The key is to keep learning, stay curious, and never stop searching for ways to improve your financial situation. See you in the next video.